Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how we can change the business details of the website in our admin panel of the ProfshineTech. Let's check it out. We simply just go to the general settings and we just scroll it down just below the logo section. Then we will fill all the details like the company name, year, phone number. We have two options for the phone, mobile. Other one, we can also change the WhatsApp number for the direct chat on WhatsApp. You can also modify your WhatsApp text. You can also change your contact email ID or your auto email. You can fill up your address, and if you want to change any line about yourself which will be showcased in the footer section of the website, and just save it. See, all the things are changed. Let's move on to the website and see how it looks like. See, all the things are changed. Thank you.